Moving towards the white barricades.
Take this slow, guys. Take this slow. Almost.
Getting into
And
the
they've
first
done it.
round.
Second checkpoint, first lap.
Moving towards the ramp. Oh my god, it has a count.
Excellent work.
Excellent work, mate. Excellent luck.
Almost reached the third checkpoint.
But still they are on the go for the third one. Yeah.
And they've completed it.
Moving to the fourth one through the sixth phase. They did it, fourth checkpoint. Moving towards the finish line.
Fourth and final. Back to the Mountain of Doom. And they've completed their first lap. 1 minute, 7 seconds. Come on, audience.
J0.
Excellent work, guys.
Guys, MIT, please cheer up for them.
MIT, we had MIT right now. Come on.
We need cheer, everybody.
J0, Monster Bot.
Going towards the third one.
Third checkpoint.
Oh, had a
Almost.
crash. The reverse steering is actually helping them a lot.
These guys have an amazing advantage over other teams.
Hardly they are having any hands.
Hand touches are almost nil because of the reverse. And the second lap complete. This is the third and final lap.
For the barricades.
Come on, guys, take it slow, take it slow. You guys need to avoid crashes. Second checkpoint done.
Going for the drum position. Timing it.
The bot is on a complete roll.
Reverse steering skill. That's what
Third
helps them.
checkpoint almost. And they have completed the third checkpoint.
Moving for the fourth one. They are having a lot of big crashes than the other bots. This is such a huge monstrous bot. For the mountain of
And they won it!
that was a monstrous jump by the monstrous bot. J0 people.